under text down here. I put text password. So this is what's going to be looking for in that packet. These two text boxes. And go text, of course, it shows there. And I made a list box to add the ID to if it's correct. Which is right here. This is the list box. And this is the text box I put for the data that's been coming through the socket. I named it text data and put multi-line so you can see everything coming through it. And then there's a button here that says correct. And what that does, double click it, it'll close the current socket in case it's open, and it connects to the host. The host, which is in here. You connect to that host. And then it's port 80. So connect host, now ask what port 80, which is the default HTTP port for websites. But me.caption, which is a form, sends a caption to connection. And once that connects, the caption will say connected and the time. And then you're gonna put socket. I named it sock dot send data space. And we're gonna send that packet or function. Login. Yahoo ID, which is it's asking for Yahoo ID, which is going to be the text box, and the password, which is going to be that text box. Once it sends it, then you've got data arrival onto the socket. Change the form caption to getting data. I put it on air resume next in case it tries to get data and there's none. It don't air out. I put dim or set any word as a string to hold the data. I just put the word data. You can put sock, so that's why I name my socket, get data, space, and then put the string to store the data in, which is what I set here. Text data is that text box that's going to show all the incoming data. But text data.text equals text data.text. So what's currently in the box, plus the incoming data. And then after that, well, down here, sock error, just going to do message box, error, and description. And then post the socket just in case something went wrong so you know what happened. But after you get the data, you're going to use an end string statement. There's an if-else statement also. But if the end string, and you're going to put left parenthesis, where do you want it to start looking? In the data. So you put data, and then comma, that's going to ask you what string you're looking for. We're going to be looking for invalid ID or password. So that's exactly what it said on there, right here, which means it's not the right password. If in the data contains just string, then do a message box, invalid ID or password. Exit and sub. Else, if end string of the data contains y equals b equals 1, which is a cookie it returns, I'll show you in a minute. If it's the correct username and password, then list1.addItem, textName.text, which is ID, and space dash space, and text password.text, which is a password, and put a message box that says it's correct. Then you're going to put end if for this if statement, and another end if for this statement. And that should be about it, so let's try it out here. We'll try the wrong password first. Get crap. Again, it's slow because it's my phone's in it. Alright. So we got the data that came in, and valid ID or password. As a quick view, you scroll through here, you can see that this is the HTML source of the page, the Yahoo page that we're looking at right there. You you'll see in there somewhere it'll say invalid ID password. It says try this, invalid recovery ID, all that. Alright, so we'll try, put that TikTok here, 200 okay. You can also use that if it's less accurate, if you're looking for this thing, say it's invalid password. We'll go with the right password on there. So it's connecting, connected, getting data, invalid ID. Oh, see, got it wrong. So got a lot in there. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, so it's correct. Correct ID, correct password. So it was correct. It added it to the list box. Name, password. And you'll see in here, it's got the current data in the text box from the bad password. So we're going to have to clear that with this. Just what I done earlier. Text data dot text equals quote and quote, which means nothing. So it clears it out. Let's try this again. Alright, so you do the wrong password. Keep in mind that it's been like a year since I've done it. Alright, you have the 200 OK response. All that says invalid ID source. Okay, that should clear the text box. Alright. And it'll say correct. Alright. Then you're going to go here to found. And leave a cookie here. There's a cookie. And the third one. So see, y equals v equals 1. That means this is correct. Password and ID. And there's a list box. And in the second video, I'll show you more on how to use a list box to go through IDs and passwords, and maybe just save the ID and passwords that you cracked, save in a text file. But it's just the basic way Cracker works, and pretty much the hardest part. If you like the video, subscribe, and just let me know if you want any other videos, and I'll try to get them up.